Hi, I'm Caio Sampaio, a career expert and certified professional resume writer, and I'm here to teach you one critical thing that college never did: how to get a job. After all, college surely taught you many valuable skills, but they never told you how to convince companies to hire you. So today I'm here to teach you just that. And your best bet is to write a college resume summarizing your strengths in an eye-catching, short, and persuasive document. So something like this. It looks great, it's also well organized and brief, so it's worthy of an A+. And here I know what you're probably thinking. Well, I don't have a full-time job and I also need to pay my student loans, so I don't have the money to hire a designer to create something like this for me. Well, so I have good news to share. You don't need to hire someone to create something like this for you, because you can make a college resume yourself. You just need to use the Zety Resume Builder. It doesn't matter if you are a college freshman, graduate, or even writing a college application. You can use the Zety Resume Maker to create your perfect college resume by visiting Zety.com and clicking Try a Resume Builder. Then create your resume now. And the next step is visiting the Resume Templates Gallery, where you can see all the templates the Zety Resume Builder offers. Some are colorful, which is perfect for someone seeking a creative career. Others, on the other hand, are more serious, which is great if you're pursuing a career in something like law or finance, for example. And all the templates that you see here are ATS friendly. And a key feature of the Zety Resume Builder is that it lets you change font, color, and even the template of your resume at any time you want, ensuring you can create something that matches your future career. After all, as they say, you should always dress for the job that you want. And the same thing goes for your resume. So for this demonstration, let's pick the template you saw in the college resume example that I showed you. And now you have two options. You can either upload an existing college resume or create one from scratch, which is what we're going to do in this presentation. And now the first thing you need to do is share your contact information. Full name, phone number, and email. There's no need to share your home address unless the job ad specifically asks you for that information. And now you must tell the Zety Resume Builder of your document's purpose, so it can offer you a tailored experience. Let's assume you're looking for a professional opportunity, like an internship or perhaps your first full-time job. So now you need to fill in your college resume templates with your work history. And of course, a college student isn't expected to have extensive professional experience. So you can add here things like freelance work or even internships. For example, here is the data from the sample college resume that I showed you. As you can see, that candidate included an internship in his professional experience. So to add your experience, you just need to provide your job title, the company's name, and for how long you worked there. Then it's a good idea for you to beef up your resume with some accomplishments. Think of the times when you exceeded expectations at work or when you went above and beyond to help the company. But in case you need some help, the Zety Resume Builder offers you a list of suggestions. You just need to search your professional title and see the suggestions here on your left. These were all written by certified professional resume writers, and you can tweak them as you need. And if you still need some help, that's okay. You can come up here and click tips and see advice written by these certified professional resume writers. They will surely help you ace this exam. And now let's proceed to the education section. After all, recruiters surely want to know if you're serious about college or if you're in it just for the parties. So now you need to let the Zety Resume Builder know which education you're pursuing so it can offer you a tailored experience. In your case, it's probably a bachelor's. And here you just need to fill out the fields that you see on your screen. And since you're yet to obtain extensive professional experience, it's a good idea for you to add some more information here so you can make a stronger case for yourself. For example, the sample college resume that I showed you includes extracurricular activities and the fact that this candidate is part of the dean's list. And now it's time for you to list the skills that you acquired in your studies. As always, the Zety Resume Builder offers you many suggestions. You just need to search for a professional title and you will get plenty of recommendations. And you can also grade your skills from 0 to 5. And that brings us to the college resume summary. Because now that you have recapped your academic and professional highlights, you can use them to write a compelling introduction for your resume. You can make it quick and snappy so it's not going to read like a boring lecture. And to write a compelling introduction, you can rely on the suggestions the Zety Resume Builder offers based on your professional title. And now, if you want some extra credits, you can include some additional information on your college student resume to help compensate for your lack of professional experience. And the most popular ones for college students are certifications, volunteer, and languages. And that brings us to the final steps because, well, finals are not scary when you're confident that you are prepared for them. Just like here, you don't have to be scared of the recruiter because your college resume was created using the Zety Resume Builder, which uses this multiply exclusive technology. So you can be confident that your resume will outperform other candidates. And now it's a good idea for you to review your assignments before sending it for grading. Here you can perform a spell check and change the color, fonts, and even the templates of your college student's resume. Once everything looks good, you just come here and click Finish Resume to download your college resume as a PDF. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And if you want to see more tips on how to write a college resume, be sure to check out our full article on how to write a college resume, written by a certified professional resume writer. The link is in the description below. And also be sure to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials that will help you get your dream career. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for your time and have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.